Our third set of foundation ratio past paper exam questions from AQA and Edexcel, which you can download in the description down below. Let's do this. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay, first up, divide 405 in the ratio 4 to 11. Okay, first up, add the parts of the ratio. So 4 add 11 is 15. We then need to know how many lots of 15 are in 405. So 405 divided by 15 is 27. And then multiply each part of the ratio by 27. So we get 4 times 27 to 11 times 27. So 4 times 27, use your calculators, is 108. And 11 times 27 is 297. Cool. Okay, number 2. Slightly different type of question. So, Theo starts with saving their savings of £18. James starts with no savings. That sounds familiar. Each week from now, Theo will save £4.50 and James will save £4. In how many weeks will Theo and James have savings in the ratio 15 to 8? Okay, so they are starting in the ratio Theo to James. Now really you can't get ratios and zeros involved, but it works. So Theo has £18, James has £0. Okay, now each week Theo saves £4.50 and James saves £4. So we could just keep adding £4.50 on the left and £4 on the right and check to see if the ratio cancels down. However, we could half the work by spotting that, well, Theo is going to have savings of a multiple of £15, or James is going to have savings which are a multiple of £8. So, instead of adding on 1 week at a time, we're going to add on 2 weeks at a time. So we're going to add £9 to Theo and £8 to James. So after 2 weeks, the ratio is going to be 27 to 8. Now that doesn't cancel down. Add on another 2 weeks, we're going to have 36 to 16. Now that does cancel down. There's a common factor of 4. So this goes down to 9 to 4. That though isn't what we want, so that's after 4 weeks. Let's go another 2 weeks. So then we're going to have 45 to 24. Now that has a common factor of 3, and it cancels to 15 to 8. There it is. So that has taken 6 weeks. Okay, page 2. On a farm there are 240 cows. On the farm the ratio of the number of bulls to the number of cows is 1 to 30. How many bulls are on the farm? So for every 30 cows there is 1 bull. So we need to know how many lot 30 are in 240. So 240 divided by 30 is 8. So there's 8 lots of 30 cows, which means there are 8 bulls. Okay, next step. A forest has 6,500 trees. The trees are either beech or maple. The number of beech to the number of maple is 1.6 to 1. We are asked what fraction of the trees are beech. Okay, so beech to maple. Is 1.6 to 1. Now really the first thing we should do here, because we're wanting to turn into a fraction, we should really turn 1.6 into a whole number. So the easiest way to do that here would be to multiply through by 10. So we get 16 to 10. And then that has a common factor of 2. So we can simplify that to 8 to 5. So we want to know what fraction of the trees are beech. So altogether, this simplified ratio has 13 parts. 8 of those parts are beech, so it's 8 out of 13. Okay, next up, we want to write the number of beech to the number of maple in the form 1 to n. Okay, so we know beech to maple is 8 to 5. Now, looking at the ratio, we want the 1 on the left. So, to turn 8 into 1, we need to divide by 8. So, dividing by 8, on both sides we get 1 to 5 eighths. And that's it. Okay, third page, part A, simplify fully 56 to 24. So simplifying ratio works just the same as fractions. Look for a common factor, so here it's 8. Divide both sides by that. So we're going to get 7 to 3. Okay, then for part B, write the ratio 5 to 4 in the form n to 1. So here we need to turn the 5 into, we need to turn the 4 into 1. So to do that, divide both sides of the ratio by 4 and we get 5 quarters to 1. Then for part C, we want to share £180 in the ratio 1 to 9. Okay, so what this means is we're sharing the money out £1 to someone, £9 to someone else. So the first thing we need to do is work out how much one lot of the ratio is worth. So £1 add £9 is £10. So every one lot of the ratio is £10. Next, we need to know how many lots of £10 are in £180, so that's a division. So 180 divided by £10 gives us 18. So we multiply both sides of the ratio by 18. So we're doing £1 times 18 to £9 times 18. Now 1 times 18 is 18. Now to work out the other side, we can just take 18 away from 180. So that's 162. Okay, next up, Ed and Faye shared £330 in the ratio 7 to 4. So E to F 7 to 4. Ed then gives Faye some of his money. Faye now has the same amount as Ed. How much does Ed give Faye? So it would have been a lot easier if they just halved the money in the first place. But there we go. Okay, so first of all we need to split 330 in the ratio 7 to 4. So 7 add 4 is 11. 330 divided by 11, well, 33 divided by 11 is 3. 330 divided by 11 then is going to be 30. So multiply each side of the ratio by 30. So we get 7 times 30 to 4 times £30. So on the left we got 210. And on the right we have £120. Okay, so we know they both need to end up with the same amount. And we know the same amount is half of £330. So if we do 330 divided by 2, 2's into 3 go once, 1 remainder, 2's into 13 go 6 times, 1 remainder, 2's into 10 go 5 times. So they both need to end up with £165. So Ed must give Faye £45 to get her up to and to get him down to £165. Okay, next up, we have a tricky one involving Pythagoras. So the diagram shows rectangle ABDE and a right angled triangle ABC. AC, the hypotenuse of the triangle, is 17 centimetres. BC is 8 centimetres. Now we're told along the bottom, BC to CD is 1, 2, 2. So what that means is that CD is twice as long as BC. So, given that BC is 8, CD is 16. Okay, now our job is to work out the area of rectangle ABDE. Okay, so the area of a rectangle is base times height. We know the base is 8 add 16. What we need then is the height. To get that, we're going to need to use Pythagoras on the right angled triangle. So, if we just make a sketch of it on its own. So, if we call the sides A, B and C, Pythagoras tells us A squared add B squared is C squared. Now, we're wanting to find A, so we need to rearrange a bit. We need to move the B squared, so A squared is C squared minus B squared. Okay, so A squared is 17 squared minus 8 squared. Now that is 289 minus 64, which gives us 225. Now if we square root that, A is 15. So we now know the height and the length of the rectangle. So the whole of the base is 24. So the area is just 15 centimetres times 24 centimetres. And now that is going to give us 360 centimetres squared. Okay, then the final page, so Joe and Kyle share an amount of money in the ratio 7 to n. Joe gets 35% of the money. Work out the value of n. Okay, sure, even though we don't know the amount of money, we know percentages always have to add up to 100. So we can say Joe to Kyle would be 35% to 65%. Now we want to simplify that, so the common factor is 5, so divided by 5 we get 7 to 13. So n is 13. Okay, then the final question, quite a tricky one again. So in a bag there are blue, green and white counters. There are 4 times as many blue as there are green. So as a ratio, blue to green is 4 to 1. And the ratio of blue to white is 3 to 1. Sorry, 3 to 5. We're told one candidate is chosen at random. We need to work out the probability it is either blue or white. Okay, so to do this, we're going to need to combine these ratios into a single ratio, blue to green to white. Work out how many parts are either blue or white. Work out how many parts the ratio has altogether, and then that will give us our probability. So, the trick to combining ratios lies in what appears in both ratios. So here, blue. We need to turn the blue part into the same number in each ratio. So the first number 4 and 3 go into is 12. So multiply the left-hand ratio by 3. We get 12 to 3. Multiply the right-hand one by 4. We get 12 to 20. So that now tells us for every 12 blue counters, there are 3 green and 20 white. So blue to green to white are in the ratio 12 to 3 to 20. Now, altogether, this ratio has 35 parts. 12 add 3 add 20 is 35. Blue and white together make up 32 parts. So our probability is 32 out of 35. Okay guys, that's enough fun for this video. So there are lots more ratio questions in the foundation ratio playlist, which I'll link down below. This is also part of my foundation GCSE Maths exam questions playlist, where there's videos like this on all sorts of topics. If you have any requests for topics you want done like this, let me know down below in a comment. If you found this useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. For now, take it easy, take care.